start. Guess I knew it, just ignored it. I let go of your cold hand. I guess I saw it go.
Hey Taco Fam, welcome to yet another amazing YouTube video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and switch on your notification bell button so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. So in today's video we will be doing embroidery. So you're going to start by drawing your drawing on your blank paper, the drawing that you would want to embroider. For my embroidery hoop, I used a container with a lid on, and I just cut the underneath of the container, and the lid I did a sec, but you're gonna see I am taking my container and putting it underneath my hoodie, but you can put it underneath whatever you're gonna use, and then I'm gonna take my lid and then close it, and make sure it is closed tight because you don't want it to move, there when you're embroidering. So now you're gonna pin your drawing. You're gonna cut it out first, as you can see, and then you're gonna pin it on your fabric so that you can start embroidering. But if you trust your designing skills and artistic, you can just do it on the fabric. So now I was still deciding on which color to use for my outline of my drawing, and I thought of the baby blue, but because it goes with the sleeves. But yet again, I really like the brown because it has that melanin touch. So now we're gonna start by doing a back stitch. So now we're gonna use the back stitch, and we're gonna do it all around our lining except the flowers. You're not gonna do it on the flowers, but you're gonna do it on all around. And I'm gonna add a slow video that shows how to do the back stitch, and you're gonna find that video down below on my description box.
But if there's nothing left to cry for, then I will just crack a smile. I had a million different things to do, and every one of them included you. We had a million different things to do. What can I say? Well, I've been lonely too. Lying on my own, the sheets are covered in your scent. Really tried to fall asleep, but I can't understand. Though we both felt kinda lonely, I still always thought you loved me. When I tried to let it go, the sheets are covered in your scent. I guess I saw it coming, yet it took me by surprise. But if there's nothing left to cry for, then I will just crack a smile.
So now that we are done with our outlining of the drawing, you're gonna have to remove the paper but you don't have to worry about removing it properly or whatsoever. It's not going to damage what you've already done.
We've been lying from the start. Guess I knew it, just ignored it. I let go of your cold hand.
So it's going to look something like this.
From the start, guess I knew it, just ignored it. I let go of your cold hand. I guess I saw it coming, yet it didn't.
So now we're going to do the woven wheel. You're going to make an odd number of evenly distributed straight stitches, bringing the needle up on the end and down in the center. Weave the thread under and over the straight stitches. Repeat the process until everything is covered.
Lying on my own, the sheets are covered in your scent. Really tried to fall asleep, but I can't understand. Though we both felt kinda lonely, I still always thought you loved me. When I tried to let it go, the sheets are covered in your scent. I guess I saw it coming, yet it took me by surprise. Oh, but if there's nothing left to cry for, then I will just crack a smile. Oh,
So I forgot to mention that the process that we're doing, it's gonna end up looking like a rose, and you can do this process or the roses as many times as you want. So now you're gonna take your shades of green and you're gonna do your leaves. So the leaves doesn't have a process. Okay, probably it does, but I don't know what the process is called. But as you can see, you're gonna do this the way that I'm doing it, as long as you want or how you want it to look like. And you're gonna add leaves where you feel like they're missing, or yeah, or you add flowers. It depends on you.
your cold hand. From the start, guess I knew it, just ignored it. I let go of your cold hand. I guess I saw it coming, yet it took me by surprise. Oh, but if there's nothing left.
So I wasn't fully feeling it, and it felt like something was missing, and I decided to add the mouth, the earrings, the nose.
And every one of them included you. We had a million different things to do. What can I say? Well, I've been lonely too. Lying on my own, the sheets are covered in your scent. Really tried to fall asleep, but I can't understand. Though we both felt kinda lonely, I still always thought you loved me. When I tried to let it go, the sheets are covered in your scent. I guess I saw it coming, yet it took me by surprise. Oh, but if there's nothing left to cry for, then I will just crack a smile. Oh, If it was never what you wanted, we've been lying from the start. Guess I knew it, just ignored it. I let go of your cold hand from the start. Guess I knew it, just ignored it. I let go of your cold hand. I guess I saw it coming, yet it took me by surprise. But if there's nothing left to cry for, then I will just crack a smile. I had a million different things to do, and every one of them included you. We had a million different things to do. What can I say? Well, I've been lonely too.
So now I'm done with adding my nose, my mouth, and the earrings, and now it's time for us to see the final product.
Really tried to fall asleep, but I can't understand. Though we both felt kind of lonely, I still always thought you loved me. When I tried to let it go, the sheets are covered in your scent. I guess I saw it coming, yet it took me by surprise.
Thank you so much for staying until the end of my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and switch on your notification bell button so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. And guys, please tell your family members, your mom, your dad, your granny, everyone that you know to subscribe to my channel, because I'm bringing new things each and every time. And if you have any thing you want me to do DIY wise,